Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this extremely clean 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. What you need to know about this car is its exceptional body work, straight as an arrow, white exterior, blue guts, black vinyl top I'll show online. Supercar, chrome is excellent. This is a really nice driving car. Recently repainted, a new interior, new carpet, has air conditioning. It's all hooked up, says it's changed over. We're going to try it out and drive. Trunk is really nice. Looks mostly original. I have a lot of photos online of underneath. Chrome is really good. Has a nice wire wheel covers. I noticed the door hinges have been replaced. It opens and shuts really nice. I'm going to show you this device here. It's called a fill detective. And what it does is it tells you if there's fill. A lot of people have concerns on these cars with fill. So you put it against it, you push the button. The further to the left it is, the light indicates little to no fill. It's normal to have up to 1/8 of an inch of fill when you're doing finished body work. There is a little bit more fill in back that I noticed in the quarters, but overall very good car. Yeah, a little bit more not bad. These are the areas that typically have the big rust issues, the bottom of doors. They'll use a little fill when they're doing the final body work to make everything smooth and line up. So overall really good. The stainless steel's real good. Looks all new. Interior, like I said, is like new. No cracks on the dash. Automatic. We're going to go for a quick drive. This is powered by a straight six, and in performance with a V8. I've driven hundreds of these cars, owned several. The difference between the 289 and the 6-cylinder is very minimal. The V8 sell at a premium. This car drives out really nice. Really nice. So the gauges seem to work fine. 3-speed automatic. Goes down the road nice and straight. No wheel shimmy. Now this car has manual steering, no power steering, but as you can see, I'm able to drive it with one hand while I hold the camera in the other. Turn signals work, stops nice and straight. We're going to turn the air on. I noticed the air looked like it had the new fittings for the new refrigerant. So far, I cannot feel the air working. But the consignor says it does work, so maybe that has to be sorted out. So these are great cars. They're cheap, they're reliable, they're easy to maintain. This one has been really nicely updated. New carpet, new upholstery, new paint, new chrome, or redone chrome. It drives beautifully. Engine, I came in this morning and started this thing. It started right up. I gave it one squeeze on the accelerator to the floor before I turned the motor over, and it popped right up. This white exterior, the blue interior is really a fantastic combination. Probably the most popular. It's a great looking car. So let's review. This is a 1966 Mustang. It's a smog exempt. It's a clean title. We can ship it anywhere. Super car. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.